All right, here we go. We got another one for y'all. It's another shield simulation. We're at about 100 yards. We got our rubber padding down there. We got the 223. These are Hornady, just their basic soft points. They group really well. They're solid, accurate bullet. But we're gonna see if we can punch our simulated hog shoulder down there, get through the muscle, get through the shoulder, and see if we actually punch the tomato, which is our simulated lung. Not squish it, but punch it. We want a hole in it. And we're using the 223 wild barrel right here, 24 inch, about 100 yards. It's 1 and 8 twist. So here we go. There you are. All right, here we go. This is our setup for our simulation. We got 1/2 inch rubber pads here. They're pretty solid. And I know you might be sitting there thinking the hog shield ain't that thick, but you also got to take in mind that the hog's also got about another 200-300 pounds surrounding it, so that's going to absorb the impact, the energy. So we got this going on. We got our gel right here for our muscle. Then we got our bone right there and the tomato right there. The tomato, we're going to see if we can pierce the tomato, not squish it, but pierce it. All right, let's go see what we got. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. We do have a punch right there, solid hit coming out. That is going in, coming out. There you go, right there. We did not make it through the shoulder blade. Right there. I'll take that back to the house just in case it doesn't show up well. But as you see, all it did was break it. So we went through the muscle, and we got stuck in the shoulder blade. This is a squish, not a punch. It's a no-go on the 223. So if you're sitting there thinking you can sit there and take a shoulder shot on the hog, especially the 150 to 200 pounds, the 300 pounders, you're insane if you're going to think you're going to get through that shoulder blade or whatever. So 223 shoulder shots on hogs, it's definitely a no-go. You go for the head shot and just go for the ear hole every time. Wait till it's broadside, go for the ear hole, or if you got a frontal, just go right between the eyes. Then you're gonna knock them down. Giant wasp flying around here. But there you go, if you were wondering. Thanks for watching. All right, here we go. Got another one. This is 223 Hornady soft points, 55 grain. Totally obliterated the lead on the inside. We got just 16.4 left. It did spread it out over 1/2 inch, which is good. Top to bottom, 0.174. That's what we were working with at 100 yards doing the simulated shield penetration. This did not penetrate. It went in. We hit the shield, and we hit our ballistic gel, the muscle, and we basically just, this is all, I mean, that was it. We got an impact. We don't have a complete, that hog would kept going like it never got hit. That is what we're looking at right there. There's your exit. Not too bad. Right there. I mean, it looks good, but it's not good enough at all. And that's it. That's would take a shoulder shot on a 200-pound hog? No. 150-pound hog? Nah, still wouldn't do it. I mean, I would just go with the headshots. Just go with going right for the ear hole or right between the eyes, depending on how they're set up. Thanks for watching.